Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll teach you how to fix WhatsApp status views not showing issue. So right now you can see we have posted a status, and right now you can see we have posted our status, and here you can see we have 0 views, viewed by 0 people. So you will face the same issue. You will post the status but your views will stay as 0. So how you can fix this issue? What you have to do, you have to minimize this one and you have to go to Play Store, and here you have to type WhatsApp and you have to update your WhatsApp. If you have already updated your WhatsApp and you are facing the same issue, then you have to go back to WhatsApp and then you have to go to status. Click on these 3 dots which you can see at the top right side. Here you will see status privacy, and then here you will see 3 options. If you will choose the second option, my contacts accept, that means your status will be visible for few people and exclude some people that you will choose with the second option. Third option, only share with. If you have selected this option, then your WhatsApp status will be visible only specific people that you will choose from this third option. So you don't have to choose the second option and third option. Always you have to keep status privacy in the first option, my contacts, and then you have to click on done. So here you can see settings updated. After making the changes, now you have to delete your previous status and you have to upload your status again. And here you can see we have posted our status. We'll click on our status, and here you can see immediately we have started gaining the views. All of your contacts can see your WhatsApp status and they can react on your WhatsApp status. So this is how you can also fix WhatsApp status views not showing issue. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.